All right, guys, here we are. This is page 6 of your final study guide review. Here we are writing an equation for the arithmetic sequence that includes these points. So just a reminder, our arithmetic sequence equation looks like this. So the way that we can do this is essentially we've got y equals mx plus b. It's a very similar equation. So I'm going to label my x and y's here, and I'm going to start by coming up with what my slope would be. So I've got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is going to be 15 minus negative 3 over 8 minus 2. So I've got 18 because two negatives become a positive, divided by 6, which is 3. So this 3 is going to go in for my adder, or my m, and y equals mx plus b. So when I use this for my equation, I've got t of n equals 3n plus my 0 term, which I'm going to call my b. Then when I go back, I can use this equation where this is my n and this is my t of n, and plug them in. So I've got negative 3 equals 3 times 2 plus b. Negative 3 equals 6 plus b. Subtract 6 from both sides. Negative 9 equals b. So my equation is going to be t of n equals 3n minus 9. All right, moving on to the next. Now we are looking at another sequence here. Okay, how do I get from 3 to 6 and 6 to 12? 3 to 6, I'm timesing by 2. 6 to 12, I'm timesing by 2. This is a geometric sequence, and we are multiplying by 2. This says make a table and graph the first 6 terms. So we've got our first term is 3, 6, 12, remember, times 2, times 2, times 2 is 24, times 2 is 48. I'm going to graph these. I've got 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 12. If I would go back and find the 0 term, instead of multiplying by 2, I'm going to divide by 2. So my 0 term is going to be 3 divided by 2. I need this for my equation down here. So my equation for a geometric is t of n equals my 0 term times my multiplier raised to the x. This would be the same thing, or also written as y equals ab to the x. If I were to use numbers for this, based on this sequence right here, it would say t of n equals 3 over 2, 2 to the x. And that's it for page 6.